Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about common mistakes happens in communication process. There are a lot of different mistakes. It happens automatically while speaking to others, while talking to or while communicating with others. We use some different words by mistake. So that's why I'm said, because unknowingly we use in grammatical ways. There are a lot of grammatical mistakes are there, but we use in a general way, right? Now here I have come up with a new topic today, that is positive attitude. What is the meaning of positive attitude, and what is the meaning of attitude, and what is the meaning of pleasant personality, and how to develop that, what are the benefits about this, I will let you know now. Now positive attitude and pleasant personality. Pleasant personality means we can easily check ourselves how many people wanted to talk to you. Understand my point here? How many people? Now I am here, okay, if I am not there in the situation, oh sorry, Ram sir is there, very nice to be here, means we could have lot great time here. He just make entertain everybody like that. Some people may feel oh, he's not there, better, like that they may feel. So different situations are there. So the majority of the people, how many people or how many of your friends, they really missed you in the situations. That is called our positive attitude or pleasant personality. Pleasant personality means everybody should feel like the pain, means if you are not there, if you are, the presence is not there, so they have to feel some pain. That is the pleasant personality. Means if you are there, that around everything is happiness, nearby you or surrounded by you or around you, that the society or the surroundings are very happy. If you feel that and if they feel that, then that automatically you have the positive attitude, and you are just spreading the positive attitude to others, and you have that pleasant personality. So these are very important in positive attitude and pleasant personality. And how to get the pleasant personality and what are the benefits of pleasant personality, I will let you know now. Now, benefits of positive attitude. If you have the positive attitude inside or pleasant personality inside, you can easily achieve our goals. We can easily move forward. Means, for example, if you already some people, let me give good example. Some of my friends, they have been preparing for some government jobs since 2014 or 15, but still they are preparing. That is positive attitude. Means 100% I will get that. They have the hope. That is also positive attitude. It should be there. It must be very important. So automatically we can get that. So that positive attitude gives us to achieve energy, more energy or more happiness, more energy, and achieve our goal, to reach our goal. Next one, how to reach the goal. Next one, we can motivate others, we can inspire others. Lot of positive things are there by using positive attitude. Means if you maintain the smile on your face, if you have the positive attitude, then automatically our surroundings are very good. Means if you look at to the surroundings in a good way, automatically surroundings or neighbors, they also treat you like a good way. These are important points about positive attitude. Now let me explain you about attitude. Attitude is a word which comes from our mental thinking. Means the way of thinking or mental capacity is called attitude. This attitude also is related to our action. Means whatever we think, that is perfect, means automatically we do the positive things. So positive attitude and positive actions, both are very interrelated. Means whatever you think in a positive way, automatically we implement that in a positive way. So thinking also positive way, and automatically action you do in a positive way. So our thinking should be positive. Means if one person is going on, if unknown person, if you want to talk to them in a positive way, automatically, obviously, if you have the thought, means okay, I would like to help him or I would like to help her. The person is searching for some address or something, so you need to just go there and talk to them in a positive way. Oh, you are from different location and you have some language problem also, okay, let me help you, like that. If you have that good idea, good thought in your mind, automatically we will do good to others. So it reflects such. Same thing you have to implement here. So positive attitude and positive thinking both are related, interrelated with each other. Now let me tell you about positive thinking and positive attitude. I explained. Now how to get positive attitude, how to implement our positive attitude. First one is never give up. We should not give up. Always we should be in high. Always we should be, means always keep trying. Keep trying. That is also very important. Keep trying and never give up is same things. Whenever you want to get some goal, means achieve some goal, automatically we have to move in that way and you have to easily achieve our goals. Next one, second one, and third one, you have to think about solution. If you think about problem, automatically it goes up. So that's why always we have to think about solution. Think about solution first. So automatically problems will be solved. Fourth one, try to talk to the people in such a way that you have to maintain the smile. While talking to others, opposite people, just maintain some smile and control anger or control short temper. Hold your temper. These are the main important points. These are the benefits of positive attitude, and these are the important points for how to control our or how to get positive attitude. First of all, how to get positive attitude means you have to maintain this all. Never give up. Always be positive and motivate yourself. Self motivation is very important, and keep thinking. Next one, keep trying also and think about solution. Don't think about problem. If you think about problem, automatically will get tension and everything. So just think about solution. You have to just implement in a positive way. Smiling should be very important. If you smile to others, like okay, if you just a smile, if you have the smile on your face, automatically it looks in official way. They also will support you and they will also give smile towards you. And hold your temper. That angerness and control, self control is very very important whenever you go anywhere, because as a human being every day we get some angry, like that is a common emotion to everyone, the angerness. So automatically or obviously we have to be controlled according to some situations we have to burst out, some situations we have to control. That is our self control, that it gives us more positive attitude. These are the things about positive attitude, and in further video I will make you somewhat brief. That means thinking and behavior and attitude, what is the difference between that, and how to change, self motivation or self change, how to do that, and I will let you know in the further video, because that three things are very very important, and maximum people they don't know about the differences. Attitude means behavior, attitude also, our thinking also, three are same like that, everybody feels. So I will let you know the difference between attitude, thinking and behavior, the difference between the three, and how to improve our thinking skills and everything. I will let you know in the further videos. With this about today's session, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info.